John from Kinex Medical, and today I'm going to explain how to set up your Recovery Plus at home. The Recovery Plus provides pre-programmed intervals of cold iceless therapy to help with any pain and swelling. This machine will also improve the blood flow to the surgical site by having rest periods in between. Now let's make sure you have everything you need. You should have your machine, your black hose, your power cord, extra bottle solution, your wrap, and your DVT calf wraps. Let's start by plugging in your power cable into the back left section of the machine. Next, grab your black hose. At one end of the hose, you will see two big connections and one small connection. These two big connections are interchangeable, so it does not matter which one you plug in first. You have two big connections on the back of the machine and one small connection at the top. Plug the two big connections in the back of the machine. Now, plug in the small connection to the top. Make sure you hear the locks snap into the hose. Next, we will plug in the DVT calf wraps. At the end, you will see two white connections, and at the top of the machine, you will see a calf left and a calf right. Plug the two connections into the calf left and the calf right. Make sure they click as well when you plug them in. Now you will plug your wrap into the other side of the hose. You will see two female attachments and one male attachment on the other end of the black hose. Just like the two big attachments you plugged into the back of the machine, it does not matter which female attachment you plug in first to the wrap itself. After you plug those two in and hear them click in, you will just have the male plug left. This one is a little trickier to plug in since it doesn't have a spring lock like the other two. All you have to do is push down the plastic tab on your wrap and twist and push in the attachment on the hose. You will not hear a click, so pull on the attachment after to make sure the seal is locked. Now your wrap is connected to the machine. Now it's time to power on your machine. Just flip the black switch on the back of the machine and flip the machine around. Hold down the power button located on the front right of the machine. Hold this button down until you see words come onto the screen. Click the up button and the machine will automatically begin the cold 43-degree therapy. You also have two buttons on the keypad that you will use, the comp button and the DVT button. Starting with the DVT button, click the DVT button once. You will see on the screen that the calf left and right are now alternating. You also have the comp button, which stands for compression. This button will send air compression therapy into your wrap. This is great for any extra pain and swelling to your surgical site. This will push air into the wrap and will somewhat massage the surgical area. There are different settings you can choose from, ranging from 15 to 75. Start at the lowest compression and work your way up to find the right amount of pressure you want your wrap to go to. Now that you know how to work your machine and turn it on, I will now explain how to turn your machine off. You will hold down the power button on the front of the machine until the screen goes dark. You will then flip the switch in the back to turn the whole machine off. When it's time for you to return our equipment, please unplug everything out of the back and then place everything in the black bag. Now you know how to use your Recovery Plus. Thanks for watching, and all of us at Kinex Medical thank you for choosing our services and hope you have a speedy recovery.